Hello and welcome back to another episode of Digital Asset Daily. In our last video, we explored how to buy crypto, how to start investing and the types of wallet we have. This time, we'll be diving deeper into more details on the examples of wallets. Enjoy with me. In the previous video, we mentioned few examples of cryptocurrency wallets. Some examples of popular cryptocurrency wallets include 1. COINBASE. COINBASE is a digital currency exchange and wallet that is designed for beginners. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and is available on both desktop and mobile. 2. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. It is available on both Android and iOS and is known for its strong security features, including support for hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger. 3. Trezor. Trezor is a hardware wallet that is designed for maximum security. It stores your private keys offline and allows you to access your funds using a PIN code. 4. Ledger. Ledger is another popular hardware wallet that offers a high level of security. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and includes a built-in display to help you confirm transactions. 5. MyEther Wallet. MyEther Wallet is a free, open-source wallet that is designed for Ethereum and other ERC-20 tokens. It allows you to store and manage your digital assets using a web interface. 6. Electrum. Electrum is a fast and secure desktop wallet that is designed for Bitcoin. It offers a wide range of features and is easy to use, making it a popular choice for many cryptocurrency users. In this video, we will be diving deeper into COINBASE, Trust Wallet, MyEther Wallet. COINBASE. COINBASE is a digital currency exchange and wallet that is designed for beginners. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and is available on both desktop and mobile. Here are a few key points to know about COINBASE. Supported cryptocurrencies. COINBASE supports a number of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. Security. COINBASE uses a combination of secure key storage and biometric authentication to protect your funds. It is also insured against losses resulting from hacking or theft. Ease of use. COINBASE has a user-friendly interface and clear instructions for how to use it, making it a good choice for beginners. Fees. COINBASE charges fees for its services, which are typically higher than other exchanges. However, the fees are clearly disclosed and are generally lower for larger transactions. Availability. COINBASE is available in more than 100 countries, but the specific cryptocurrencies that it supports may vary by region. History of COINBASE. COINBASE was founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam. It was created as a platform for buying and selling Bitcoin, and has since grown to support a wide range of other cryptocurrencies. Initially, COINBASE operated as a way for individuals to buy and sell Bitcoin using their bank accounts. It has since expanded to include support for other payment methods, such as credit and debit cards, and has added support for many other cryptocurrencies. In 2013, COINBASE received a $5 million investment from Andreessen Horowitz, a venture capital firm. In the following years, it raised several more rounds of funding and grew rapidly, becoming one of the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. In addition to its core exchange business, COINBASE has also introduced several other products and services over the years, including a cryptocurrency wallet, a platform for institutional investors, and a rewards program for users who hold certain cryptocurrencies on the platform. Why is COINBASE the best to use as a newbie starting a cryptocurrency investment? COINBASE is a popular choice for beginners starting a cryptocurrency investment because it is easy to use and offers a wide range of features that make it accessible to people who are new to cryptocurrency. Some of the reasons why COINBASE might be a good choice for beginners include: 1. User-friendly interface. COINBASE has a simple and intuitive interface that is easy to understand, even for people who are new to cryptocurrency. 2. Wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. COINBASE supports a number of different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. This makes it a good choice for people who want to hold a diverse portfolio of digital assets. 3. Multiple payment methods. Coinbase allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency using your bank account, credit or debit card, or other payment methods. This makes it easy to get started with cryptocurrency even if you don't have a lot of experience with it. 4. Strong security. Coinbase uses a combination of secure key storage and biometric authentication to protect your funds. It is also insured against losses resulting from hacking or theft. 5. Good customer support. Coinbase has a helpful customer support team that is available to answer questions and provide assistance. This will be the end of this video. In our next video, we will be diving into history of Trust Wallet. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your support and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date on future content. See you in the next video.